Hey there, parents and kids, ready to learn some awesome ways to start budgeting your money? Budgeting might sound like something grown-ups do, but it's super important for everyone, especially you awesome kids. Today, I'm going to teach you how to be money smart in 5 fun ways. So get ready to learn all about 5 fun ways to teach kids about budgeting.
Okay, so for our first super cool budgeting trick, we're gonna talk about the savings jar. You know how much I love my toys, right? Well, sometimes I have to wait a little bit before I can get a new one. That's where my savings jar comes in handy. It's like a special piggy bank where I put some of my money. Whenever I get coins or bills from my parents or grandparents, I put some of it into my savings jar. It's so much fun to see the money add up. Then, when I have enough, I can finally get that awesome new toy I've been wanting.
Alright, for our next budgeting tip, let's talk about how we can earn some money. Being responsible and helping out around the house is super important. And guess what? It can also help you earn money. It's called earning money through chores. Maybe you can help clean your room, put away the dishes, or even help out in the garden. When you do your chores, you're not just being a super helper, you're also learning the value of hard work. And the best part, you get rewarded for it.
Okay, are you ready for some colourful fun? Let's talk about creating a simple budget. Now, I know budget might sound like a big word, but it's really just a plan for your money. You can use colourful markers and stickers to make it super fun. First, we write down how much money we have. Then we can make different sections like spending, saving, and giving. You can even decorate each section with your favourite stickers.
Let's talk about setting savings goals. Remember that awesome toy we talked about earlier? Well, when you set a savings goal, you're deciding how much money you want to save and what you want to save it for. It's like going on a treasure hunt with your money. To make it even more fun, you can create a visual tracker. You can draw a picture of your goal and colour in a section every time you add money to your savings jar. It's like magic watching your progress.
For our last budgeting tip, I'm going to teach you my favorite way to use my money. It's called the spend, save, give method. It's super simple. When you get money, you divide it into 3 parts. One part is for spending on things you want right now, like maybe a yummy ice cream treat. Another part is for saving, just like we talked about with our savings jar. And the last part is for giving to others.
Thanks for watching. We learned about the savings jar, earning money through chores, creating a simple budget, setting savings goals, and the spend, save, give method. Budgeting is super important, and it can be a lot of fun. Remember, it's never too early to start learning about money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start budgeting today.